Khas Hills Autonomous District Council kampat hun mynsiem satya wat hadin ke jingïakren ba Srongar Jala ba CRPC ba CPC ba kanum kta ke bor bishar ki yang Kashari District Council ba kandang shong biang ke jinyalang khatsantrik nailur arjar fuar ban shim Meghalaya ke bakhadu hakano phai singi khatsautrek nailur arjar fuar kladon biang ke jingïakren preng kini arliang mamla har notification ke bla pengkret sarkar ba CRPC ba CPC kentri kam haboro koi ke Jala Menteri rang ba ke Jala ulang ba cingtumu penteri kami kini ki arli kenon an kanum kata satya ga bor ke bacudan ki Autonomous District Council katkum ke paragraph 4 but paragraph 5 jang 6 schedule kariti senchar kari India
regarding this entire issue of the CRPC and the notification that had come out. As you're aware that the state government and the cabinet had deliberated this particular issue more than 3 times in the cabinet. And also we have discussed this matter with the district council. This is the second time that we're having this meeting to clear off all the confusion or misunderstanding or differences that could be there. And the message that we have given to the district council is that the entire purpose of really coming out with this notification is to allow the judicial magistrate to continue the work and the functions that were being done by the ADC judiciary when the executive and judiciary was not segregated. That is the only intention and objective of this notification, nothing beyond that. And the question of diluting the powers of the district council or interfering in the village courts or changing the procedures in the district council is absolutely not there. So there's no question the provisions and the powers of the district council courts are protected by the provisions in the constitution. And a notification, no matter how many times we may change things, the wording we may change, anybody can try to interpret the notification in any way. The most important protection that the district councils and the courts and district councils have is through the provisions of para 4 and 5 in the 6th schedule. And hence, no notification can supersede that. The intention and the spirit and objective of this notification is purely and purely simply to complete and regularize the process of separation from executive from the judiciary, so that now that ADC judiciary is not there anymore, the district session judge and the court can function and do their jobs as was being done by the ADC judiciary. So that was where confusion was. There were concerns by the district council that the cases between tribals and tribals will now be shifted. We have very clearly said there's no question of that. Under para 4, it has been clearly defined that these kind of cases will be tried by the district council courts. So even if any notification or even if there's any kind of cases that were to go, the district council's courts will prevail and their stand will prevail because it is protected by the constitution. So these clarifications were made, and I'm pretty sure that after a number of rounds of discussion, I'm sure that the council also is more or less convinced, and we are moving ahead with this spirit and with this objective that the district council courts and their powers will not be diluted in any way. And this entire exercise is only to regularize the separation between the executive and the judiciary.
Nagaliang Chief Executive Member Khas Hills Autonomous District Council ba Titos W Khan ulang ba umpat kwa ban ong halo ke jingïakren ban bu I kentien pelatnyo ke CRPC ba CPC nagi yang Kashari District Council nomor hab ban ikren kat kum ki kendon an bat Kyrwoh teben
na kaliang ke jungi ila ya kendu ya chief minister kan bat ya ki deputy chief minister bat ki minister bat ki officer te ka nakaliang kecungi ila ada biar discuss biar mentan ila ketika notification kepada government kepada jangan suka apa ni tu ini ba nakaliang kecungi mentan saya kendu saya kasi step ya kapan shim ke final call kalau kini but hoi la persutu ini ba kum bakalong kini notification kanum kata ya ki district council court kecungi langkai ki subordinate court bat kunjuk lu ya ki village court kabamut hi ka CRPC bat CPC kanum apply ha ki court ki namar bangi ngidon ya ka constitutional provision ya ka kum ka para 4 bat para 5 ka constitution de bat ha bejing dai lu bat ki case ki ba dai ha pedang ki tribal ni ka trial kadang dai hi bat ki district council court ini ki district session court kinumla pan try ya ka jing dai ha pedang ki tribal tentang kiwe ki case kiba let's say kiba kikut jungi kim ju drive untuk pokso ba kiwe ki criminal case kimi kan kaju ika spirit na syuang lengkuat ibi kaju ika spirit kaba ngijule baru kata kami kan continue di yang ini ngilayak tai bah mentang ngilayak keren bah namar ba ngamkwa ang ni ban keren nama kini ki legal aspect legal matters kiba ladangi issue expose akan notification room teng-teng kala ban manra ke misinterpretation kena kata-kata ngi kwa ba ka notification ikan long simple nang ba kan manra pat ka misinterpretation dak kumuipan yang kata orang pensyah yang ini bahkan nom dilute ia ke pawas ke jungi namar balik kumpul orang itu bah ke pawas ke jungi ke district council court bagi additional subordinate court bagi village court ini kin terikam baik kumbaju tray kuat kum ke spirit jongka CRPC kabamut kal in letter kan nom apply kalau kawai kalau bang mynsiem ke decision mat nama balong mentang ngidang syuan kumni ngimpan ai ke dulu final decision kalau saya